Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very delicious marinade that is perfect for chicken. Put this marinade on chicken and throw them over the grill and they'll come out bursting with flavors. Let's get started. We're going to make the marinade for the chicken. We're starting by adding 2 teaspoons of paprika into an empty bowl. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. This oil adds a smoky flavor to the marinade. A 1/4 cup of balsamic glaze. This stuff is so delicious on chicken. 1 diced medium onion. 12 cloves of minced garlic. Salt and pepper to taste. I used 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And the last ingredient we're going to add is some beer, okay? Just go ahead and add your favorite beer. We're getting this marinade very tipsy, so add about half of the whole bottle. And the beer does amazing things to the chicken. Mix everything together very well. And that's all we need to do for the marinade. It's really simple and very delicious on grilled chicken. Once the nade mixture is fully mixed in, we're going to set it aside for later, and then we're going to grab our chicken. You can use any part of the chicken for this recipe. I'm using 6 chicken quarters. Go ahead and pour the marinade onto the chicken in the bag. Next, we're going to seal the Ziploc bag. Make sure you get rid of most of the air in the Ziploc bag. That way, the chicken can soak in the marinade very well. Move the chicken around. Make sure the marinade, the onions and garlic get on every single piece of chicken. Next, we're going to marinate the chicken in the fridge for at least 8 hours. If you have time, you can do all the prep work the night before and let it marinate overnight. That way you have it ready to grill the next day. I allowed my chicken to marinate overnight and it has soaked in all of those delicious flavors from the marinade. My grill has been preheated to 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's smoking hot right now. I am going to add all my chicken quarters and let the grilling begin. Place your chicken on the grill, skin side down, and grill for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure you discard all the excess marinade. We don't need it for anything. After your chicken has grilled for 8 to 10 minutes on one side, begin to turn them over and grill them for another 8 to 10 minutes on the other side. Alright, so in total, we're cooking the chicken for 20 minutes, but it can take longer. So checking with a thermometer is the best way to make sure your chicken is fully cooked. We're looking for an internal temperature of 175 to 185 Fahrenheit. So if you haven't achieved that temperature, just turn your chicken and grill them for 5 to 10 more minutes. I finally achieved the desired temperature. If you're making chicken breast, just aim for 165 Fahrenheit. Okay guys? Chicken is done. It's looking delicious and the flavor is phenomenal. The chicken came out really good, packed with amazing flavor from the marinade. It's very nice and crispy on the outside and the inside is really juicy. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.
Alright, we're done. Finally.
What'd you say, something?